Well, hello everyone. It has been 3 months since my last Battleship Texas video, and there is finally some news on her forever home. Per the KHOU website, the Galveston Wharves Board has voted unanimously to move the Battleship Texas to Pier 15. I don't know the firm date as to when the ship will open back to the public, but a lot of progress has been made since the last video, but you can tell the work has definitely slowed. I have heard rumors that this is due to lack of funding, but I have no concrete evidence of this fact. In this video, the foretop is noticeably missing, but I have found it and have video footage of it towards the end of this video. Now let's just enjoy the battleship.